Going to teach you how to sell gift card on Carding app in 2026. Subscribe to this channel, turn on your notification because whenever I drop another video, YouTube is going to notify you. Like this video. If you have any question, write it in the comment section and also share this video for more people to see after you finish watching. This is how it goes, guys. Go to Play Store or Apple Store and download this application, Carding. Carding sell gift card. Download this application. You can see it after you finish the downloading. Open it, guys, and when you open it, click any option down here. Do you understand? Right now, click any option down and it will take you to this interface. Yes, it will take you to this interface, and you can see down here, you can see not yet register, sign up. Click on sign up, and this is what you are going to do. You can either choose either to register with Gmail or phone number. This is phone number. You click on it. This is Gmail. Now let's say you want to register with Gmail. You click on select country. You select your country, Nigeria. Put your functional Gmail here because you are going to receive code with it, and if it is phone number, put the active phone number. Now after you put your Gmail, leave the verification code first and jump to where it says password. Now put your password. Make sure your password starts with capital letter. Let's say, for example, let's say Godwin. Add number at the back and any symbol like this. It will be successful. Now write the password again here. Do you understand now? Confirm that password again here. The next thing is to put this invitation code to register. Although the invitation code is optional, but if you use this invitation code, you are going to get a welcome bonus of 3,000 naira, and they are going to reward me as well. But if you didn't use it, you will not get welcome bonus and they will not reward me. So I will say, please use it. Both of us can get bonus from this website. Do you understand right now? So after you put this invitation code, go back to where it says verification code, and you can see at the front, you can see send. Tap on that send. Immediately you tap on that send, they are going to send code to your phone number or your Gmail, depend on which one you use. Take that code immediately before it expires and put it here, write it here, and click on sign up. Immediately you click on sign up, your account will be registered successfully. Do you understand right now? Now I'm going to log into my own account and I'll show you how to sell your gift card on Carding app in 2026 and how to withdraw your money to your bank account. Let me log in and we continue, guys. I have logged in right now, and after you register your account, this is how it's going to look like. Now this is what you are going to do to sell your gift card. You can see down here, you can see home, sell, transaction. Click on sell. Now you can see category. Click on category and scroll down until you see the gift card you want to sell. Select the type of gift card you want to sell. Let's say Apple, for example. I'm going to select it. You can see country. Click on country and scroll down until you see the country of your gift card. I'm going to use US as an example. You can see balance, the balance of your gift card. If your gift card is $100, write it. If it is $10, if it is $30, if it is $500, write it here. Do you understand? The next thing is to move to, you can see type, physical or code. Physical card is a gift card that someone purchased at a physical store. Do you understand right now? And e-code, code is a gift card that someone purchased on website. So they will send the code of that gift card to that person's Gmail. That is e-code or code. You understand? Physical is a common gift card. So you are going to select the type. And the next one is, you can see code. Please enter the code, optional. They are telling you to enter the code of your gift card here. And after you enter the code of your gift card, you just need to click on sell and it will be sold successfully. But if you have the image of your gift card on your phone, just click on this box and click on upload from gallery. Then select your gift card and upload it and click on sell, and your gift card will be sold successfully. And if your gift card is two, let's say it is $50 each, they are going to give you another space to upload the second card. Upload it and click on sell. And in few seconds, it will say success. That means your gift card has been sold successfully. And you can see this amount, 222,164 naira. It will be available here on your account. It will be available here. The next thing right now is to withdraw your money to your bank account. Now this is what you are going to do. You can see three up line here. Click on it. You can see wallet. Click on wallet. you can see add bank card. Click on add bank card. Now click on select your bank. Select the bank you are using. Holder name, write your bank name, the name on your bank, which means your name. Enter your account number, write your account number here, and write your carding password here. Then click on submit, and your bank will be added successfully. Then go back and click on withdraw. Write the amount you want to withdraw here and click on confirm to withdraw. Sharp, your money will deliver to your bank account. Sharp. So this is how to sell gift card on Carding app in 2026. Like this video, comment, and also share it for more people to see. One love, guys.